Good afternoon, team. See, this is a small brief regarding data mining document that is allocated to you. So if you have any confusion, please correct it after watching this video. See, the document contains a title and introduction that is already allocated in the morning. You might have finished it. That should be copied and pasted here. Second one, you are not going to change anything regarding AIM, and we already given 3 hypotheses. Need not to change this one. After that, there is an image based on which we need to conclude about the hypothesis, whether the given hypothesis is a null hypothesis true or hypothesis true. These are 2 statements. Among these statements, which statement is true, that should be explained based on the image that is given. If you cross check, here we are trying to test as the population between ages 0 and 14 travel over a period of time, how the usage of cars changed. Okay, if you cross check, the total count of people between 0 and 14 ages reduced over a period of time, whereas the usage of cars is increased. It seems increased. It explains that the usage of car by individually it is increasing. Okay, so as the age between 0 and 14, total number of people between 0 and 14, when we are having higher number, the usage of car is low, and when we have very least number, the usage of car is high. So we have less number of people here and more number of cars here. So what we can conclude, that null hypothesis is true, as people between ages 0 and 15 have less number of car usage. And similarly, when you have the second thing, when we see both the graphs are parallelly moving, so over a period of time, the people between people having age more than 64 years grown, and along with the time, the growth of car usage also increased. If you take, like, the graph might be having ups and downs, but when you consider start point and end point, you can see that it has a trend of growth. So it clearly explains that the number of people of having age 64 or more is increased. Along with that, the usage of cars also increased. The car usage increased. Similarly for this one, so based on this, you can conclude that this is false. Okay, null hypothesis is false. Null hypothesis is false. So we mean if null hypothesis is not true, we conclude that, or alternative hypothesis is true. Okay, so you conclude. How we conclude it? Explain whether null hypothesis, null hypothesis is failed, and the alternative hypothesis that explains car used by some XYZ is true. What is the reason? When we cross check the graph, it is clearly evident that the age, the number of people having age is increasing, but along with that, the number of people, the total usage of cars is also increased. It clearly explains that as ages of people 65 or 4 uses more number of cars. So that is how we conclude this statement. Understood? Similarly, we do for this hypothesis also. And finally, so we explain what is the purpose of the research. Based on the aim, we can explain it. What you notice from the hypothesis. From the hypothesis, it was noticed that children ages between 0 and 14 has low number of car usage, whereas middle-aged and old age people are using more number of cars. So based on this, we can conclude that overall conclusion is whether middle-aged people use more car usage, having more car usage or not. So we conclude that when compared to the middle-aged people, because middle-aged people are more number of people, their graph is slight. So maybe like middle-aged people are using high number of cars. You can conclude that is fine. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to write, and later you just add one reference, maybe some tableau reference. That's fine. Okay, thank you, team.